I'm really excited about joining the Think Global Forum because I think it's a great opportunity to meet new people, to make new connections, to exchange ideas, exchange best practices, and learn as well as much as I can from peers in the industry. I think the travel industry will go through a huge transformation in the next few years in terms of technology. I think technologies like voice enabling services, like virtual reality can start playing a big role in travel going forward. I think the same way that technology is a great opportunity in the travel industry can become a challenge as well. So it's very important that we keep up with technology, that we're looking into new ways of servicing our new traveler demands, and making sure that we continue taking globalization, localization into the business discussions, into product design, and making sure that we're keeping up with technology.